Hey, do you want fresh veggies from your garden all the way through Thanksgiving? Then plant these 4 crops right now here in September. Number 1, I planted some beets. I just sowed some beet seeds in and they came up real quick. And the beet greens are great for eating, and eventually we'll have a few beets to dig up, probably closer to Thanksgiving time. Number 2 is I planted some broccoli. As you can see, we got a little bit of bug action going on. I'm gonna put some safer soap on there and kill the bugs. But broccoli is great for September planting, especially here in Zone 9 in the Pacific Northwest. I bought these starts from a nursery and I put them in. Number 3 are collard greens. I love collard greens, especially on a NFL Sunday. I'll make a bowl of collard greens or a pot of collard greens with a little salt pork, and it tastes great. So collard greens are my number 3 fall crop. And my number 4 are Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts. Fresh Brussels sprouts around Thanksgiving time are amazing. They taste way better than the store-bought. They'll be on a nice big stalk. So I planted some Brussels sprouts. It's gonna be a great fall garden. As you can see also, I do have tomatoes still going. I took out all my sauce tomatoes. They were done, but I still got some slicing tomatoes, and they'll be around for the next few weeks. And I'll pick the green ones and let those ripen inside. Once it starts getting below 50 degrees, I'm gonna have to take those out. And look at the basil. Earlier in the summer, this very basil plant was struggling, and it just decided to take hold. Also in August, I planted some string beans, some pole beans, and they're coming up, but they're surely not thick. Not like when I would plant them in the spring. I don't know if I did something wrong or what, but they're kind of coming up. Maybe they'll fill in more. You can see more there on the fence line. But they're producing beans. I mean, I'm gonna have beans with dinner tonight. And I got a lot of peppers. These cayenne peppers are gonna make a nice fermented pepper sauce. I'll do a video on that. Lots of habaneros. Look at all of my habaneros here. They're getting ready to be picked. Maybe make a sauce out of that. There's a jalapeno plant. These are the poblanos here. Look, they're all red now. They look beautiful. More jalapeños. And look at this. These are Carolina Reapers, the world's hottest pepper. Well, I think there's a new one, but you can't grow it. They haven't released it. But these are the Carolina Reapers, and that plant looks absolutely amazing. So those are the 4 crops that I planted. Which crops are you planting right now? Comment below. Thanks for watching.